Welcome back, guys. Myself Piyush Goyal, Company Secretary from Jaipur. Or in this video, we are discuss a very important topic. If you are planning to set up a international financial service company at Gift City, so how to set up this company, I will discuss each and every aspect of related to this company, and I will also discuss the practical process of registration of this company at IFSC sector, which is situated at Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Right. So first of all, before planning for establishment of the of said company, how to plan the incorporation of the said company. There are various steps involved in the incorporation of this company. So before starting the process, we have to understand the following step-by-step procedure how to incorporate the said company. Right. First of all, we will try to understand the what is the purpose for registration of this company. Right. This company basically incorporated for doing the providing the financial services like banking services, insurance services, in addition to that capital market services. Right. It's situated in Sage, which is situated in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. So first of all, we have to finalize the framework under which business falls, right? And after that, we will discuss each and every step in detail, right? After that, final structure such as LLP, company, trust as per framework. Thereafter, name application under the structure. Thereafter, get PLOA for space at the gift stage. Thereafter, start business operation. Thereafter, obtain LOA and certificate and registration. Thereafter, apply IFSC to the for LOA and approval of business in framework. After that, complete the structure registration process. This is the whole process of registration, which is divided in various steps, right? And after that, we will understand each and every process step in detail, right? So first step is finalize the framework under which business is falls. So in first step, registration process is determine the appropriate regulatory authority. If you want to planning to financial business, right? So in that case, approval will be take accordingly as per your nature of business. If you planning to establishment your company for providing the capital market services, right? So in that case, the approval will be taken from the SEBI, right? If you are providing some company for the asset management work, right? In that case, the approval will be take from other authority. It means the approval will depend on the nature of services which you are providing to the company, right? Thereafter, finalize the structure LLP, company or trust. Once you have identified the appropriate framework, the next step to decide the legal structure of your business. It means if you are planning to open a IFSC company, then you will decide the nature of structure in which you want to start the process, right? There are various options available with you. First is option is LLP. There are another option is company. Third option is trust, right? Third step, name application under the structure. After finalizing the structure, the name step is choose and apply for the business name. The name should comply with the naming guidelines set by regulatory authorities. Submit an application for name approval to the registrar of companies. After that, get provisional letter of allotment at space at gift stage. It means before applying for registration of this company, you will get a space authorization from the gift stage authority, right? This is called the provisional letter of allotment. To operate the gift city, your business needs a physical presence within the special economic zone. Apply for provisional letter of allotment or office space. The application should include details about your business and space requirement, right? After that, complete structure registration process. With the PLOA in hand, proceed the complete registration process for your chosen business structure, right? After that, filing necessary incorporation document with ROC for company or LLP, registering the trust deed with the relevant authorities. After that, in step 6, apply for to IFSCA for LOA and business approval. The International Financial Service Center Authority is a primary regulatory body for GIFT IFSC. apply IFSCA for letter of approval and approval for operate business with the chosen framework, right? After that, obtain LOA and certificate of registration. Upon successful review, the IFSCA will issue a letter of authorization and certificate of registration. The certificate confirm that your business is authorized in operate to gift IFSC under the given framework, right? After that, you can start the business and providing the service as per your structure of the business. This is a whole process of incorporation of IFSC company. I hope this video is very helpful for you. In case of any issue, you can contact us on the number given on the screen. And this is a very big opportunity for the businesses which we want to provide the financial services, capital market services, asset management services. This is the very good opportunity. You can open your company and provide this kind of services to the business. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video is going to be very helpful. And if you have a query related to income tax, GST, import export, you can also contact on the number given on the screen. Thank you very much.